The narcissist wanted you in their life because you have something they do not. Love as an energy is present in you. They are void of love. Yet they need it. So they latched onto you. When you lose hope and do not have faith you can heal, remember this. You as a person have access to unending amounts of love. You are able to show this love to animals and other humans. Which means you can learn to show this love and compassion to yourself. How to show love and compassion to yourself when you have lost yourself? Well, when you go to sleep at night, do you get this kind, soft and gentle feeling just as you start to fall asleep? This is nothing but you being able to show kindness and gentleness to yourself. Which means you do possess a connection to yourself. This connection you have with yourself can be felt when in meditation and when you are just about to fall asleep. Now every time you feel sad or exhausted, bring up this connection you have to yourself. Now send yourself a lot of love and compassion. Send a kind of feeling, send gentleness towards yourself. You will find that you do start to feel safe and loved. The reason I have made this video this short is so you can listen to this again and again. I want this process to be understood and registered in your mind. Once you realize this connection and learn to send yourself this love you already have within you, you will be forming a stronger and deeper connection with yourself. Now listen to this again and keep practicing this. This exercise is self-soothing and creates safety. Have faith and never give up.